Over the last few weeks, you might have heard how a few insiders are making a killing selling t-shirts on a website called Teespring. They just think of an idea for a t-shirt, put it live on Teespring, and make $10, $20, or even $30 each time someone buys one of their t-shirt designs. Now you can promote these t-shirt web pages however you want, but most of these insiders are promoting their t-shirt designs with Facebook ads. And that's smart because Facebook ads can instantly put them in front of an audience of over 1 billion people. So when you combine Teespring with Facebook's advertising system, the possibilities are endless. It's why people are making as much as $30,000 from a single t-shirt design. It's why Teespring has sold over 1 million t-shirts in the last year, and it's why I sold over $10,000 worth of t-shirts in my breakout month. But there's a problem. A problem that stops 99% of internet profiteers from enjoying the t-shirt success that they deserve. If you've ever tried Teespring in the past, you might have been put off by how long it takes to get to grips with everything. I should know. I wasted over $5,000 on training, designers, and Facebook ads looking for that winning edge. Tell me if this sounds familiar. I tried copying best-selling t-shirt designs, focusing on popular niches like pets and professions, traditional Facebook ads, PPE ads, clicks to website ads, retargeting, hoodies, t-shirts, black tees, white tees, hiring designers on Fiverr, creating designers myself, hiring expensive designers. Truth is, in my quest to crack the Teespring game, I tried every software and system out there, but I never felt like I had an edge over the other 100,000 Teespring profiteers who were all competing on so-called fair terms. Gradually, what I realized was that I needed an edge, and that's where T-Titan comes in. And in case you're wondering, what does a T-Titan actually do? Well, here's the easy 4-step formula that me and my fellow Titans follow. Step 1. First, I choose a secret topic or niche market to focus on. The more secret the niche, the better. Step 2. I need to create a design. This is the most important step of all, which is why I use 2 powerful new approaches. Firstly, I enter a keyword into my T-Searcher software, which scours a dozen t-shirt sites for popular designs, those with high sales, high ads, and high likes. This digs out the best designs that generate explosive profits. Secondly, I put a keyword into my Idea Maker tool. This is preloaded with over 100 ideas which have already been proven top sellers for t-shirts on Teespring. I simply enter a few words, and dozens of template ideas are generated in under 1 second. I now have a short list of great ideas for my design, and I'm ready to move on to the next stage. Step 3. Now I need to create my t-shirt design. Once again, this is 100% automated using my Auto Designer software. I simply enter my idea as text or images and hit go. The software automatically formats the images and text into a perfect design. Then you simply pick the one you like, download the image, and upload it to Teespring. Go from fresh t-shirt idea to selling it on the internet in under a minute. Step 4. Now we've created our design, it's time to get traffic and actually start making sales. We do this using Facebook ads. Now there are several tricks I use here to perfect my Facebook targeting, create the perfect ad, and maximize my chances of profits. I'll share them all with you in the members area, and I can't wait. But there's one tip I'll share with you right now. It's a way to get double-digit click-throughs, 10-cent clicks, and maximum returns. It's a way to finally make Facebook ads work for you, and I call it Auto Image. Auto Image lets you create images of attractive models wearing your tees in eye-catching locations. These images mean our ads stand out on the newsfeed, so we get tons of targeted traffic at rock-bottom prices. And, as of November 2014, we're finally playing the t-shirt game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor. And that's all there is to it. So there you have it. T-Titan really is a fresh new way to look at Teespring and Facebook. Can you imagine the kind of results you'd get with an automated new software that's this unique? Well, stop imagining. Let me show you the rock-solid proof that's possible. Just look at my click-through rates. Check out these conversion rates and EPCs. Look at the sales I'm able to get with this, or the laser-targeted traffic I can drive anywhere I want. So, are you in? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the 4 T-Titan software tools, including T-Searcher that lets you find secret t-shirt designs that are already selling on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Zazzle, and many others. The Idea Maker tool that auto-generates over 100 proven design ideas in any niche in under 60 seconds. The Auto Designer that automatically generates ready-to-upload t-shirt designs in under 10 seconds. The Auto Model tool that lets you get dirt cheap clicks with cool-looking images for Facebook ads. And that's just the T-Titan software. You'll also get all of this. Over 8 hours of training videos covering niche selection, finding designs, Facebook ads, and much more. A quick start guide that walks you through my complete approach in one simple PDF document, plus hidden secret videos where I explain all of my secret tips and tricks. Tips like these. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. This is on a strictly first come, first served basis. So once the price discount ends, I'll have to start charging $147 per month for each license I sell. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the PayPal page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right now so you can finally succeed selling t-shirts. This opportunity will only last so long and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.